Okay, this is lesson 1.06, and it's identifying two-step number crunching machines. So here we have a number crunching machine, and I'm going to go ahead and put some numbers in and record the outputs. As I do that, I'm going to be making predictions as to what's going on here, or what the function is. So when I put 0 into my machine, out comes 6. So right there, I'm thinking to myself, well, in order to go to 0 to 6, I have to add 6, right? So I know that I'm going to be adding 6. And then I'm going to go ahead and put 1 into the machine, and out comes 9. So this is where I get a little bit confused, because here I added 6 to get 6, but here it's 1 plus 6, and that doesn't equal 9. So something else is happening here before I add 6. Let's go ahead and substitute in another number. I'm going to put 2 into the number crunching machine, and out comes 12. So again, I know that I'm still adding 6 because this first term tells me so, but something else is happening as well. I'll go ahead and put in 3, out comes 15. I'm going to put in 4, out comes 18. I'm putting in 5, out comes 21. So now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to decide one row. Maybe this one. We'll rewrite over here. 2 plus 6 equals 12. Well, does 2 plus 6 equal 12? No. However, can I maybe multiply something times 2 and then add 6 to get 12? Let's try 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 plus 6, is that 12? No. How about 3 times 2? 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. Nice. Let me go back and double check that with one other row, maybe the 3. 3 times 3 plus 6. So 3 times 3 plus 6, does that equal 15? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Perfect. So what's happening here? In the sentence, it's 3 times the input plus 6. The equation is the output equals, always start with output, 3 times the input plus 6. And then function notation is f of x, or the function of x, equals 3. And instead of using the word input, I'm going to use an x plus 6. We're going to go ahead and do 2 more examples. Here we go, number 2. We have this input-output table, but notice this column is new, right? This column was not here before, but I went ahead and added it in to help us do scratch work. Now 0, this is going to be your BFF. This is going to be your best friend forever. Why? Because your best friend tells you things, just tells you it straight out. And what the 0 tells you straight out is what's added or subtracted. So in order to go put 0 into a machine and get 2 out, you have to add 2. And I'm going to go ahead and write that all the way down, because my BFF told me that I'm adding 2. I put 0 in, I get 2 out, I have to be adding 2. Then I'll move on to the next row, or the next row. And it says 1 plus 2 equals 4. Well, that doesn't work, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. So how about I try like 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 2 is 4. Nice. Let me double check it. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Nice. So a sentence is it's 2 times the input plus 2. Again, I just got that from experimenting. I just tried a number. The next one might not be as easy. Let's go ahead and try it. Again, I'm going to start with my BFF, and it's going to tell me that when I put 0 in, out comes -3. So that means that I must be subtracting 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write that all the way down. Next, I know I'm going to, let's pick another one to look at. I don't really like negative numbers, so I'm going to actually go to like this last row. I'm going to focus here and see if I can figure it out. In fact, I'm going to cover everything else up. Now here, this says 8 minus 3 is 1. That's crazy. 8 minus 3 is 5. So I know that I need to get a smaller number. Right now I'm at 5. I need to make it way smaller. So, I don't know. What number minus 3 is